Sai! Today is your day. Happy 18th birthday, BFF. Wow, you're at legal age na talaga. Pwede ka na makulong. Char. Seriously. I wish you all the best, your happiness, and love that you deserve. I'm forever thankful for your existence because you make this world so much better place. Remember, whatever happens, you'll always have me. Kahit ano pa man yan, I've always got your back. And also, I hope that we both win in life and everything that we wish for will soon come true. Love you, BFF! Happy birthday ulit!
Hi, Sai! Happy birthday sa'yo. Palagi kang mag-iingat. Then, ipagdadasal kong makapasa tayo sa college life. Love you!
Hi guys, it's me, Billie Eilish. So, ayun, may nag-DM kasi sa akin guys. Gawan ko daw video birthday greeting, etong si Klang. Nung nabasa ko Klang, idol ko yun eh. Ayun yung sa PBB, yung sumigaw ng OA. Sorry ha, natapakan ko pagka-love team nyo. Favorite ko yun eh. Ayun, so, happy 18th birthday sa'yo Klang. Grabe, welcome to adulthood. Legal age ka na, grabe. Naku, bawal ka na gumawa ng illegal. Makukulong ka na. Video ka. Ayun, ayun nga, welcome to adulthood and may this new chapter bring you happiness, more happiness, love, and success. And ayun, enjoy your special day and always go after your dreams. And always smile kasi super ganda mo kapag nakangiti ka lagi. Ayun, happy birthday, Billie Eilish guys!
Kang, happy birthday! Sana pagpatuloy mo lang yung na ginagawa mo. Ngayon, kahit wala ka ng guardian, papasukin ka na sa kahit saan kasi legal age ka na. Pero, kung kailangan mo pa rin ng kasama, dito lang ako, dito lang kami. We're just one call away. Yan. Ingat ka palagi and galingan mo sa pag-aaral mo sa college. Good luck and happy birthday. Enjoy the rest of the day, the rest of the year, the rest of your life. Wow.
Happy birthday, Sai! We love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Kang. Dito ako ngayon sa Boracay, Bator, Palawan.
Happy birthday, Kang Kang! Sana pagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo, makatapos ka. Dalaga ka na ngayon, 18 ka na.
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo, Sai. Legal age ka na. And so, ayun, more birthday to come and more blessing to come. And thank you for being a true friend and thank you for being here pag may problem ako. So, ayun lang. And I love you so much. Stay pretty and more blessing to come. Bye-bye. Babush. Love you.
Hi, Ate Kang, happy birthday. I just want to say na sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo at sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, anak. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay kay makatapos ng iyong pag-aaral at bawas-bawasan ng pagkatopak.
Hi, Ate Kang. Hi, Ate Kang. Birthday mo. Happy birthday, Ate Kang.